Welcome back to Big Ideas with BFO. You know who I am, so I'm not going to bother telling you again. Let's talk about something nerdy-ish. Now, I'm not as nerdy as I once was, but if you talk to some of my friends, they'll tell you I'm still pretty nerdy. I don't geek out to tech like I once did. I geek out to management and leadership, which is super cool, and sort of small giants frameworks and conscious capitalism frameworks and things like that. It's just an evolution. Not here to talk about that stuff today. Here to talk about Google's Search Generative Experience, or SGE, or their AI. If you haven't signed up, do it now. If you haven't signed up for Bing Search on your phone, do it now. Bing Search on your phone using ChatGPT. So you can start playing around with ChatGPT, even if it might not be your thing yet. But see what the results look like, see what the results feel like. What Bing Search does is they'll actually end up giving you some links to the articles that they poached from to generate their AI response, or they'll give you web articles as well, which is pretty cool. So from an SEO perspective, you can start thinking about how to optimize for these things. Now, I'm not saying it's the end all be all, but start thinking about it from an SEO's mindset. What do the search results look like today? How are those search results going to evolve with the continued use of AI? Now, bumping back to Google's Search Generative Experience, I feel like I need a kazoo when I say that. There are rumors that Google's starting to roll that out into little pieces of the SERPs, or search engine result pages. So if you're thinking about AI, well, get into Google's SGE beta. Go look it up. I'm not going to give you the link here. I'm just telling you to go do it. It's worth it. And what you get is you start getting their AI results. It's like using multiple search engines or browsers, right? If you want to use a Safari browser and the search engine there, you want to use Yahoo Search, or you want to use Bing, or you want to use Google, you got to understand the different search engines. And same thing goes for something like Baidu, right? You want to understand the different search engines and how to communicate with them. As Google moves into this AI first landscape, you're going to see search change, which means the way we interact with search is going to change as well. So do yourself two favors. Get into Google's beta Search Generative Experience. Go there with your Gmail account. It'll let you set it up. It's pretty cool, pretty simple. Check a box, go for broke, and you can turn it on and off. So when you want the real search results versus the AI search results, I think they're all real, then it'll be cool. You'll learn, you'll grow. Maybe you'll write an article or two. Tell us about it. Get into Bing Search, put it on your phone, and you can also use ChatGPT and such. That's cool, but do those two things to start dipping your toes in that AI water, especially if you're an SEO or a search nerd. Get in there and start learning what they're doing. It's only going to help in the long run. Wow, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for listening or watching. I'm Steve Crow, and this has been Big Ideas with BFO.